So for the first of the marinades, I'm going to be showing you how to do coriander lime. Coriander lime marinade is absolutely delicious. You know, if you like coriander, if you like honey, if you like lime juice, then it's absolutely perfect for you. It's so easy. There's not actually that many ingredients involved, so it's a brilliant starting point if you're new to marinades. So for ingredients, you need extra virgin olive oil, lime juice, garlic puree, a little bit of honey and some fresh coriander, and then some salt and pepper. So like I say, there's not really a lot to it. So let's start with some olive oil. You need 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I tell you now, talking about this one, this is our family's favourite out of all of them. And then some lime juice. I've tried squeezing from the limes, but how much it cost me to buy all those limes to how much it costs for some lime juice, so I'll buy the lime juice. And then for the lime juice, you're just looking at 2 tablespoons. And then let's do the garlic. So for the garlic, you're looking at 1 teaspoon. And then I recommend adding in your salt and pepper. It's just an easy ingredient to get out of the way. So then once you've got your salt and pepper out of the way, all you're left with adding is your honey and your coriander. So I recommend using the honey now, because what you can do is you can pour it in with the spoon, and then it saves you on having to re-add it and then do extra washing up. So I recommend about 1 tablespoon here. And then all that you've got left now is your coriander. So I'm just going to move the chopping board over so you can have a look better. And then get rid of some of the leaves from them, so then it makes it easier for chopping them. If you don't like this, you can swap it for some parsley if you prefer. Sounds weird saying that when it's a coriander marinade, but I know it's one of those foods that people either love or hate. So then once you've got a big amount of it, you want the sharp knife because it makes it so much easier. And then once it's finely chopped, then it's ready for adding in. And then you have perfect coriander lime, and it's just perfect for using in so many different dishes. But though, can I suggest, if you're looking for a great starting point, that you try it first with some chicken breast. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.